Few years back, I was at my home on the terrace sipping my evening tea, and I heard this very strange noise. I have to put on my sneakers, and then I went for a walk to see what it was about. I saw this young guy who had dragged like a wooden surface on the asphalt, and he had this battered old ice hockey goal. He was practicing his slap shots, and then next evening, I heard the same noise again, and the next, and the next. And it's been going on for years. This guy comes out on the street and practices his 100 hockey shots a night before he goes out with the friends. Even if it rains or hails, you don't have to be a genius to guess which one of these younglings has the best shot in playing professional ice hockey later. What are the 100 hockey shots a night that you should be putting in right now to enjoy the life and business that you desire and deserve?